Welcome! In this session I would like to explain to you how to earn money with Bitcoins, Dogecoins and Litecoins. If you don't know what these are, they are digital currencies used for fast, secure and low-cost payments. These digital currencies are stored and sent electronically from private wallets. They are still increasing in value due to their limited supply and growing popularity. Here are the 4 aspects you should consider to earn Bitcoins, Dogecoins or Litecoins. The first and most essential thing you will need to do is to set up a wallet where you can collect your coins. It is very easy to transfer coins from one wallet to another, but you should choose your wallet wisely. I will give you a couple of examples later in this session. Another way to earn coins is by mining. Mining is the process of adding transaction records to Bitcoin's public ledger of finished transactions. This ledger of transactions is called the blockchain, as it is a chain of blocks. The blockchain confirms legitimate transactions as having taken place. A faucet is a website that gives out free coins in exchange for doing a simple task, such as solving something called a CAPTCHA. The fourth way to earn coins is to trade digital currencies. On exchange platforms, you can buy and sell different currencies and digital currencies. Mining speed is calculated by million hashes per second, or megahashes. Central Processing Unit, or CPU mining profits are lower than the cost of operating the CPU. The average CPU miner mines at a speed of 5 megahashes per second. Graphic Processing Unit, or GPU mining, is drastically faster and more efficient than CPU mining, but compared to later technologies, it is financially unwise. GPU miners mine at a speed of 100 megahashes per second. A field programmable gate array, or FPGA mining, is a very efficient and fast way to mine. FPGAs typically consume very small amounts of power with relatively high hashing rates. The average FPGA miner mines at a speed of 1 gigahash per second, but they do cost around $2,000. An application-specific integrated circuit, or ASIC, is a microchip designed and manufactured for a very specific purpose. They mine at a speed of 1 terahash per second, but do cost around $6,000. As more and more miners competed for the limited supply of blocks, miners started organizing themselves into pools so they could share rewards evenly. Pool mining will mine at around speeds of 3,000 terahashes per second. So, in short, if you're prepared to spend a fortune on mining equipment and do pool mining, where you have to share the profit, mining will not make you rich. When was the last time you got something for free? Well, faucets do exactly this. They give you free coins for solving something called a CAPTCHA, which stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. Meaning, it checks if you are a human or a computer. Faucets normally collect coins in something called a micro wallet, and they only pay out at the end of the week. There are hundreds of faucets out there, but I've made the best experience with only using 3 faucets. Please use a quick response code reader to get the links to the faucets. Just download a QR code reader with your smartphone and scan the code. Here is a link to a Bitcoin faucet. This is a link to a Dogecoin faucet. And here is a link to a Litecoin faucet. Now to trading. This is the way to make money. I have a chart here that shows the exchange rates of bitcoins to the US dollar. As you can see, in an elapse of 2 months, the rates rocketed and then dropped quite a bit. This means if you buy bitcoins when they are low and then sell them when they are high, you can make a lot of money. But be careful. You should investigate the market before you start trading big. It is wise to test the waters with low amounts before you pull out the big guns. Here is a list of the biggest exchange markets that exist currently. ANX, that is located in Hong Kong. They trade with US dollars, Canadian dollars, euro, Hong Kong dollars, Great British pound, bitcoins, Dogecoins, and Litecoins. And they even have further digital currencies. Bitfinex is located in Italy, and they trade with US dollars, bitcoins, and Litecoins, and is the second biggest Bitcoin market in the world. Bitstamp are located in the UK, Luxembourg, and the US, and they trade with bitcoins. BTC China, or BTC-C, is located in Shanghai, China, and they trade with Chinese yen, US dollars, and bitcoins, and has the biggest volume of bitcoins in the world. BTC-E is located in Russia and allows you to trade Russian ruble, US dollars, euros, Litecoins, bitcoins, and namecoins. Kraken is located in San Francisco, USA, and they trade with US dollars, Canadian dollars, euro, Japanese yen, Great British pound, bitcoins, Dogecoins, Litecoins, and many more digital currencies. Coinbase is also located in San Francisco, USA, and they trade with US dollars, Great British pounds, euro, Canadian dollars, and bitcoins. Find a market that suits your needs and does not have too high fees for trading your currency. Now you will have to choose a wallet where you would like to deposit your coins to. If you would like to test the waters with little amounts of money first, I would suggest opening an account with ANX and use their ANX Vault. They allow you to trade with as little as 100,000 Satoshis, which is equivalent to 0.001 Bitcoin, or also known as a millibitcoin. Kraken allows you to trade with a lot of digital currencies, but the minimum amount for trading is much higher than ANX. BTC-E could also be an option. If you don't want to trade and just want to create a wallet, you can do so with blockchain. So, what do you need to become a millionaire? You need a lot of patience. Don't give up right away. If you are collecting coins with faucets, it might take a bit before you have enough coins to start trading. With the faucets I've given you, you can make up to 100 Satoshis a week, or 1,000 Doge coins a week, or 5 million Litoshis a week. To take full advantage of the faucets, you should use as many devices as you can to collect coins. The faucet registers your IP address. Therefore, if you log in with the same device over Wi-Fi and again over 3G or 4G, you can collect more coins. Every other device that has a 3G or 4G connection will have its own IP address, meaning you can collect even more coins. The best payout you will get when you collect every 20 minutes, but every 1 hour or every day will do too. The faucets are set up to increase the payments for loyalty, so make sure you collect every day. Once you have enough coins, or if you want to jump right into trading coins, you should investigate the market. Don't expect the market to rocket and drop all the time. It might take a longer time, but the market will pay out eventually. Make sure you are familiar with all the exchange rates you would like to invest in. If it may be Bitcoins to US dollars, or Bitcoins to Dogecoins or Litecoins. You need to know what is a lot and what is not. From experience, I know that the market can rocket up overnight, but it can drop just as quickly. All exchange platforms allow you to create orders. This way, you can try to predict what the trend will go to, and you don't lose out when the market changes drastically. Invest wisely. So, if you become a millionaire before I do, please donate some Bitcoins to the following wallet address. You can also donate Dogecoins to this address and Litecoins to this address. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the session, and I'm looking forward to our next one.